The 6 critical mistakes people make when hiring a bankruptcy attorney. Right now, you cannot afford to make a single one of these. And here's a story that I read on the internet that explains why. The phone was ringing off the hook. The mortgage company, the utilities companies, and every credit card bill collector out there. They called 3 times a day. You see, the gentleman in the story had been laid off for work. He was laid off for several months and just couldn't handle it anymore. It was time for action. So they called a bankruptcy attorney. The attorney said he could handle the case. The case was fairly typical, and that's what they thought. But somewhere in the process, a miracle happened. He found a new job. The job was okay. It paid enough to get them back on their feet. So they called the attorney to stop the process, and they left a message. They got no return phone call. So they showed up in court 3 weeks later thinking everything was fine. And they were shocked. The house had been sold. The case was done. They lost nearly everything. Why did this happen? They only made a few little mistakes. Do not make these same mistakes now. Get instant access to a new free report, The 6 Critical Mistakes People Make When Hiring a Bankruptcy Attorney. Get instant access to this critical report. Go right now to bestbankruptcyattorneyindianapolis.com. You'll get immediate answers to avoid these mistakes, not getting an experienced attorney, getting ripped off by so-called low-fee advertising attorneys, and you'll find out what the 7 critical questions that you must ask before choosing your attorney. Go now to bestbankruptcyattorneyindianapolis.com. Get instant access and the answers you need now. It's free.